Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit on FxPro using Visa card or the MasterCard or basically any card that you have available. So first of all, come here on fxpro.com, then simply log in into your account. If you don't have an account over here yet, you can just simply select the option of register. Then you can provide some of your basic details like your full name, email and the number, and then you can basically get access to your dashboard. Now, when you are inside your dashboard, you are going to see your real account here. So in order to basically add the funds, you can either go to the section of deposit or you can also select the option of add funds. Now, whichever method you choose, you will be landed here on this page where you will be shown a bunch of different methods of adding the funds to your account. So over here, since you want to use the option of Visa card or the MasterCard, the only option that you have here is of scroll and the neteller. So you can select any of these options over here. Afterwards, you need to simply provide your depositing amount, and then you just have to simply select the option of fund. Now, as soon as you do this, you will be landed on the Scroll website where you need to provide your login credentials, and then you need to basically add your Visa card or your MasterCard over here. Then you can use that particular card in order to make the payment on Scroll, and when the payment is done, you will be redirected on your FxPro account where you will be shown that you have successfully deposited the money or the crypto using your cards. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.